In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the battery in your Subaru Outback key fob. This device was used on Outbacks made between 2008 and 2019, and it takes just one of these CR1620 batteries to run. If you'd like to get one of these batteries online, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And the only other thing you will need, other than that battery, is just a regular flathead screwdriver. So let's begin by looking up here where this key ring is, and we're just going to look on the side. There's a little indentation in the plastic there, and we're going to take our flathead screwdriver, insert it in, just hold the device loosely and twist your flathead screwdriver. Now you can see I've started to make some separation between the two halves of the key fob. I'm going to insert the tool into that area and just work my way down, twisting until you hear that pop and the back just comes off very easily. Now we can dump out this little component with the buttons on the front, and inside is the battery, and now we just need to open this thing up. So here we have these little latches that kind of lock and hold this thing together. What we're going to do is use the very same tool, get under the plastic, and just kind of wiggle and push until you have started to open it up. You see there's this little plastic in the middle of this kind of a ring here. We're just pushing, let me show you that. We're just pushing this thing up until we get past that little, you see how it clicks into place there? We're just pushing this up until we get it past that piece that holds it on, and then we're just rotating, repeating the process. There we go, pushing it, and then we could just do the last one. You can see it's already starting to get opened up there. Last one here. And now we can just pull it apart with our fingers. Set this part down to the side. And now holding the battery part here with this metal component facing down, we're going to come in on the top left. And again, just using the corner of our flathead screwdriver, we will get down under the battery and just lift it up gently. And here we have a 1620 battery. Again, if you don't know where to find one of these, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for the lowest price, just a couple of bucks. And when you're putting your new 1620 battery in, make sure this positive side, the one that has that text and battery information, goes face down. And you'll set it face down, click it into place, and now we can just start to reassemble this thing here. So go ahead, click everything back together. You can now set the buttons into place just like that. And now we can click the back on. Just click it all in together and just make sure it's secure, make sure there's no opening. And once you've done that, you are all set. You are good to go. So I hope that video helped you out. And if it did, feel free to give us a like or just let us know in the comment section. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs for any make or model, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.